Today we are going to study about different parts of flower. So you know that flower is the most beautiful part of plant. So today we are going to see different parts of flower with the help of this hibiscus, or it is called as China rose. So let's see how we are going to dissect this flower with the help of a forceps. Now the outermost part or the whorl of this flower is this one. This is extra in this flower. We can take it out. It is called as epicalyx. These are the epicalyx, as you can see here. This is present in very few flowers. Now actually we have this as outermost whorl in almost every flower, and this is called as sepal. Now we are going to remove the sepal. In this case, as you see, all the sepals are fused. It is having 5 sepals and they are joined. Fused means they are joined. Now I am going to remove this. So you see that these are the 5 sepals which are fused together. So I am placing this here like this as sepals. Now the colored part of the flower, this is the next whorl of the flower. This is called as petal. It has 5 petals. So we can place 2 petals here. Like this, or we can arrange all the petals. So this is how we have removed the petals. Now what we see is a staminal tube. This is called as the red color tube. This is called a staminal tube. It is called staminal tube because it has stamens attached to it. So it has many stamens in different flowers. Different numbers of stamens are there. So we can remove the stamens and place it here. You can see like this. It is a bit sticky. So we have to use our hands also to take it out. So these are the stamens. Now you can see that stamen has 2 parts. This yellow part is the anther and this stalk is called as filament. Now what we have to do, this is the male part of the flower, you know. Now we are going to take out the female part. So for that we have to very carefully remove the staminal tube. It is quite sticky and we have to be careful so that the innermost pistil part is not removed. We can discard it. We don't need this. And you can see that how we are removing it. Like this we remove it. And the pistil won't break. You have to be little bit careful. We have to remove all the red portion from this. And now you can see that we have taken out the pistil. it is having, pistil is having, this thickened portion is called as ovary. This is thread-like structure is style, and this is stigma. It has 5 stigma, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the parts of the flower. You can see it that this is sepal, this is petal, this is stamen, and in stamen you can see that this is anther. This round portion is called as anther, and this stalk is called as filament. This whole portion is called as pistil. This is stigma. This is style, and this is ovary. So you can also practice the dissection of China rose. This is parts of flower, and the flower is China rose, or it is called as hibiscus. Now I think that you can dissect this flower and see the parts yourself. Thank you.